Hello, I am Vivek Bajpayee. Now I am going to start ICSE Maths Class 10th Ratio and Proportion, the lesson name and 7.2 exercise part number 2. And please like, subscribe, share and watch my channel. Thank you. If y is the mean proportion between x and z, prove that x, y, z, x plus y plus z cube is equal to x, y plus yz plus zx whole cube. X upon y is equal to y upon z is equal to k, then x is equal to zk square, y is equal to zk. X, y, z, x plus y plus z cube is zk square into z, zk square plus zk plus 3, z whole cube, z cube, k cube, z k cube plus 1 whole cube, z cube, k cube, z cube, k square plus k plus 1, z6 into k cube, k square plus k plus 1 whole cube. Then the other side, x, y plus yz plus zx, it is zk square into zk plus zk into z plus z into zk square whole cube, z square k square plus k plus 1 whole cube, z6 k cube, k square plus k plus 1. 15. If a plus c is equal to mb and 1 upon b plus 1 upon d is equal to m upon c, prove that a, b, c, d are in proportion. A plus c is equal to mb, 1 upon b plus 1 upon d is equal to m upon c is equal to b plus d upon bd is equal to m upon c. B plus d upon bd is equal to a plus c upon bc. Then b and b of both the sides are cancelled and c into bd, b plus c, and d is equal to a plus c, then bc plus cd is equal to ad plus cd. Both sides cd are cancelled, then bc is equal to ad, b upon a, b upon d is equal to a upon c, then a upon b is equal to c upon d. A, b, c, d are in proportion. Next part, if x upon a, y upon b, z upon c, prove that x cube upon a square, y cube upon b square, z cube upon c square, x plus y plus z whole cube upon a plus b plus c whole square, x upon a, y upon b, z upon c is equal to k, then x is equal to a k, y is equal to b k, z is equal to c k. X cube, a cube, x cube upon a square, b y cube, b cube, k cube upon b square, c cube, k cube upon c square. What left here? Ax cube, bx cube, cx cube. Taking k cube common, then a plus b plus c, x plus y plus z whole cube upon a plus b plus c whole square, then ak plus bk plus ck whole cube upon a plus b plus c. K cube, a plus b plus c whole cube, a plus b plus c whole cube, both are cancelled on, square is cancelled, then x cube, k cube, a plus b plus c. Second part, a square, x square plus b square, y square, c square, z square upon a cube x plus b cube y plus c cube z whole cube, xyz upon abc. A square, k square plus b square, k square, c square into c square, k square upon a cube into ak, b cube into bk, c cube into ck whole cube. Then a4 k square, b4 k square plus c4 k square whole cube, a4k, b4k, c4k k square whole cube, a4 plus b4 plus c4 whole cube, k cube, a4 b cube, b4 c4, k6 upon k3, it is k cube, xyz upon abc, ak, bk, ck upon abc, both, all the three are cancelled. What left here is k cube. Third number, ax minus by upon a plus b, xy, x minus y, by minus cz, b plus cy minus z, cz minus ax, c plus a, z minus x is equal to 3, a into ak minus b into by upon a plus b, ak minus bk plus b into bk minus c into ck upon b plus ck, bk minus ck plus c into c C into ck minus a into ak upon c plus a ck minus ak. A square k minus b square k upon a plus b into k a minus b. B square k minus c square k upon b plus c into k b minus c. Plus c square k minus a square k upon c plus a into k c minus a. K a square minus b square upon k a square minus b square plus k into b square minus c square upon b square minus c square k plus k c square minus a square c square minus a square. What left here? 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. 17 number sum. If a plus b, a upon b is equal to b upon c, a upon b, c upon d, e upon f, prove that b square plus d square plus f square, a square plus c square plus e square, ab plus cd plus ef. A upon b, c upon d, e upon f is equal to k, a is equal to bk, c is equal to dk, e is equal to fk. B square plus d square plus f square, a square plus c square plus b square plus d square plus f square, b square k square plus d square k square plus f square k square. B square d square, b square plus d square plus f square into k square, b square plus d square plus f square, k square, b square plus d square plus f square whole square, ab plus cd plus ef whole square, bk into b plus dk into d plus fk into f. It is b square k plus d square k plus f square k whole square, then k square taking common, then b square plus d square plus f square whole square. A cube plus c cube whole square, b cube plus d cube whole square is equal to e cube e6 fc. B cube k cube plus d cube k cube whole square, b cube plus d cube whole square, fk whole 6 f6. K cube whole square, b cube plus d cube whole square, b cube plus d cube, both are cancelled, then f6 k6 f6 cancel, k6 f6. Then it is third number sum, a square upon b square, c square d square, e square f square, ac upon bd, ce upon df, ae upon bf. A is equal to bk, c is equal to dk, e is equal to fk. Then b square k square, b square, d square k square upon d square, f square k square upon f square. It is k, 3k square. AC bk into dk upon bd, dk into fk upon df, bk into fk upon bf. All the numbers are cancelled number, and then k square plus k, it is 3k square. Fourth number sum. If bdf bracket a plus b upon b plus c plus d upon d plus e plus f upon f whole cube 27 a plus b c plus d e plus f. A is equal to bk, c is equal to dk, e is equal to fk. bdf bk plus b upon b, dk plus d upon d, fk plus f upon q. bdf is equal to b k plus 1, d k plus 1, f k plus 1. Then it is bdf is equal to k plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 1. It is 3k plus 3 whole cube. Taking 3 common, and then again 3 cube plus k plus 1 whole cube. 27 bdf k plus 1 whole cube. 27 a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus. 27 bk plus b dk plus d fk plus f. Then it is bdf k plus 1 k plus 1 k plus 1. It is 27 bdf k plus 1 whole cube. Please like, subscribe, share and watch my channel. Thank you for watching.